Hello friends, good morning. This is Gautam from Netra Pets. Now we are in cocktail series. Today topic is how to take care of our birds in summer season. Summer season is already started. Those who are keeping the birds cage in the terrace, we should take care of our birds in the summer season. Even I am also keeping my birds cage in the terrace inside the steel shed. Even if I go inside, I can also feel the heat. So even our birds also feeling the same heat. That is not good for our birds. Our birds will feel dull. Our birds will also dehydrate very quickly. You can see your birds feeling tired and slowly closing the eyes and rolling the tongue. This is a very serious problem. It leads to heat stroke. Due to this heat stroke, we can lose our birds. We have to carefully take our cocktail birds in this season. Even finches does not have any problem in the summer season because they can easily survive in the summer season. But the cocktail, we need to take care the necessary steps. Birds will look like active and healthy, but suddenly it will die due to the heat stroke. We will not know what happened to our birds. So we have to see step by step how to take care of our birds. Always keep fresh water in the cage. Give a healthy food. That is a very important thing here. So keep a water bowl that should be a quite bigger size because the cocktail will like to take bath to reduce the heat. So we have to provide a big bowl so it will be good for cocktail to take bath. And the other thing is you can use sprayer to spray the water. If you have to spray the water gently and slowly to the cocktail, don't spray on the face because the cocktail will get afraid. Okay, see how I am spraying the water to my birds. See, they will be happily enjoying that one. You can make your cocktail bath at least weekly once or twice. That is enough because the cocktail will reduce the heat while taking the bath. You can see how happily our cocktails are taking bath. Even cocktail will dance while taking bath. It will really looks good actually when you look at them and spraying the water. They will happily feeling and taking the bath. If one cocktail taking bath, everybody will come to that place and take bath. That is also the one of the behavior this cocktail usually do. And one more thing, this is the best stress reliever for you and your bird. We have to make the cocktail body full wet. Spray for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Place wet cloth on top of the cage so it will not allow heat directly into your cage, so it will reduce the heat, so that will also help our birds. More important thing, you can place your cocktail birds cage in the proper air circulation place, so this will not allow our birds to dehydrate. So if you provide a good water and if you allow your birds to take bath and if you keep your birds cage clean and full air circulation place, so it will be really helpful for our birds to avoid dehydrating. See here how happily my cocktails are taking bath. So when you are doing this one, when you are spraying a water to your birds, initially they will get afraid, they will not come to the place where you are spraying. So we have to slowly and gently, if you are sprayed to your birds on the body or don't spray in the face. Okay, so once they got the feel of the chillness, then they will come to you where you are spraying. Yeah, even I have kept a water bowl, so that is a quite big one, so cocktail can get inside and take bath. So initial days they are not taking the bath in the water bowl, and after some days they were ready to take a bath in the bowl. I have seen 2 or 3 times, but I used to spray because Even I love it because if I spray, you can spray everywhere of your cocktail body. So they will just open their wings and they will want you to spray inside the wings because it will directly touch their body and they can easily get wet. So that is what they want. So I used to do that one because so once it get wet and they will be happily sitting and they will just keep their body wet and they will enjoy that moment. So we can try other one also, like this is the one electrol. This one you can get it in the medical shop. So we usually human also take this one whenever they get dehydrated, so it will be like a energy booster. So we can give this to our birds also. We can mix it in the 1 liter of water bottle and mix it properly and give it to your birds. Our birds will have it and boost their energy. Thank you friends, thank you for watching my video, thank you for your support, thank you.